Ciao, welcome. If you're watching this, you've just found Read Italian with me, and I'm really glad you're here. This is the video I wish existed when I started teaching Italian online. The one that tells you exactly what this channel is, who it's for, and why reading in Italian might be the best decision you make for your language learning journey. So grab a coffee and let's talk. My name is Francesca, and I'm Italian, born and raised in Italy, where I've spent my whole life surrounded by this language, its stories, its culture, its food, its chaos, and its beauty. I also speak English, which means I can explain Italian to you the way a friend would. Not like a textbook, not like a grammar chart, like someone who genuinely wants you to understand and enjoy it. For years, I've been fascinated by one question: what's the fastest, most natural way to learn a language? And the answer again and again is the same: reading, real reading, stories, texts, everyday Italian, not exercises. That's what this channel is about. Every week on this channel, we read Italian together. I choose a short text, sometimes a story I've written, sometimes a piece of Italian culture, sometimes an everyday scene from Italian life, and we go through it together. I read it out loud in Italian, slowly and clearly. Then I explain the vocabulary, the grammar, and always, always a little piece of Italian culture, because language without culture is just words on a page. By the end of each video, you will have understood a complete text in Italian, not translated it, understood it. That's a very different feeling, and it's the feeling that makes you want to keep going. This channel is for you if you've been studying Italian for a while, maybe with an app, maybe with a class, and you feel stuck. You know the rules, but you can't quite read or understand real Italian yet. Or maybe you're an intermediate learner, somewhere around B1 or B2, and you want to get better, but you don't know what to read or where to start. Or maybe you just love Italy, the food, the art, the history, the chaos, and you want to connect with it more deeply through its language. Whatever brought you here, this channel is for you. I work with levels from A2 all the way to C1. Every video tells you the level clearly, so you can always find something that's right for where you are right now. I want to tell you something that nobody told me when I started learning languages. The moment everything changes, the moment a language stops being something you study and starts being something you feel, almost always happens through reading. Not through grammar drills, not through vocabulary lists, through a sentence that surprises you, a story that makes you smile, a word you've never seen before that you understand anyway from the context, from the sound, from the feeling of it. That moment, capisco, I understand, is what I want for you. And it's closer than you think, even if right now Italian feels very far away. One more thing, and I want to be completely transparent about this. This channel is free, completely free. No ads, no sponsorships, no hidden courses you need to buy to access the content. Every video, every explanation, every story is free. I created this channel because I genuinely love the Italian language and I want to share it. That's it. The newsletter is free too. No paywall, no premium tier, just Italian in your inbox every Thursday. So, if you've ever felt like language learning content online is always trying to sell you something, this is different. You can relax, you're just here to learn. So, here's what I suggest you do right now. First, subscribe, new video every Tuesday. You don't want to miss one. Second, go watch my first video. It's called Il Bar di Marco and it's for A2 B1 learners. It's a short story about an Italian woman and her morning coffee. It takes 10 minutes and by the end you'll understand something real in Italian. Third, join the newsletter. Every Thursday, I send a short Italian text directly to your inbox with vocabulary, a cultural note, and a small exercise. It's completely free. The link is in the description. That's it. 3 steps, and your Italian reading journey starts today. I'm so happy you're here. Learning a language is one of the most human things you can do. It's an act of curiosity, of openness, of respect for a culture that isn't yours, and a bridge to people you haven't met yet. Italian is one of the most beautiful bridges in the world. Let's cross it together. A presto, see you soon. Ciao.